Good afternoon. This is Kathleen at My Alabama Farm Life, and today's video is going to be the building skills collaboration hosted by Lynda at Another Time, Tammy at Mtn Grandma, and Jan at Simply Jan Homestead. And today I'm going to be repairing my rabbit hutch. The rabbits, they like to chew on wood, and they are just chewing all over the place, and they've actually chewed holes in between the wood spacers here in the hutch. So they've pretty much been going from one hutch to another, and that's not good because I don't need any more babies right now. I'd like to schedule having babies, and these two guys that are sharing the hutch right now, they're giving me a bit of a hard time, and they don't care about schedules, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to see if I can get a look inside, and you can see where some of the damage is, where the holes are that they've been running through. And basically I just got to shore up these holes and make sure that they don't have any unscheduled visits with my doe. Right now I have her in a dog pen away from these two fellas, and she's a bit lonely. But before we get started, I want to talk about the building skills collaboration, and this will be under hashtag building skills. And what we're doing as a group is trying to encourage everybody to build, or in my case, repair. There is also going to be a giveaway associated with this collaboration. It's going to be on July 2nd at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and the grand prize is going to be a 20-volt MAX power tool system. It comes with 4 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger. So hope to see you there and the live. All right, it's time to get back to the repairs. So for this, I'm going to be using my circular saw, this piece of wood, and my staple gun. And I'll be using the staple gun to repair some of the mesh that the bunnies have tore away from the wall. So first we're going to repair the wall. I've cut 2 strips of wood that are wide enough, I believe, to cover the holes. And I'm not going to use anything fancy. Where the wall was originally built, there's a track, and I'm just going to take this piece of wood and put it up into the track, and then use my hammer to put it in place, and we're going to see how well that works. So this is not going into place like I thought it would, so I decided to tackle it from another angle, and we're going to go up from the bottom and see if I can get it to go up into the track more. And then pound it into place. All right, this one is done, and I'm going to try to do the same thing with the other piece on the other side of this hutch, this cage. So this side turned out to be much easier. I was able to wedge it up in there, and then it pounded in very easily. And now it's time to fix the wire that the bunnies have pulled up. I'm going to take my staple gun, and we're going to get this all stapled down so it's nice and smooth and they don't get caught on it. I actually had to have my grandson climb up in there and staple it, but we got it done. You can see it's fixed, but I've already moved the bunny into their new home. And we also stapled the chicken wire over this hole because they were coming in and out of that hole too. But I think I've got these 2 hutches secure. I've got the male here, a male next to him, and then in the bigger cage I went ahead and put my female where she has a lot of room to run, and I can put a box in there when I'm ready to mate her and have more babies. But I think I'm pretty secure. I think I've done a pretty good job. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. You guys have a blessed and joyous day.